Hello everyone, and welcome in the next video on this channel. And today we will be going over a Killstreak system. So as you see, I have here some custom bots, like custom players, and on the left I have the Killstreak UI. I'm not the graphic designer, you know, so don't blame me for for bad design. But yeah, I can kill one, and boom, I have Killstreak 1. I kill another one. Oh, he have some shield. I killed this one, and I have Killstreak 2, Killstreak 3, Killstreak 4, and Killstreak 5. Okay? And as you see, with each kill, I get the sound. Like now, after I think fourth one, I get the same sound. So like murder, super kill, or whatever this Killstreak have. But when I respawn, the Killstreak disappears, so this is like simulation of death. I don't have any players with me, so I need to simulate it that way. And let me drop a gun real quick. Okay, and listen very closely. You see some sound. I don't, make the sound like single kill, triple kill, or whatever. I just use some Fortnite ones. So as you see, some sounds, not the default kill one, but the custom one. Yeah, and now it's the last one. Maybe we need to make it louder. But yeah, that's how the Killstreak work. You can add as much, voices after kill you want, like even 100 kill. It's really up to you how much of them do you want. Yeah, let's go to UEFN and Verse and let's make this real. Okay, so I'm in UEFN right now, and we can create our verse file. So create new verse file, verse device, and the Killstreak system. Okay, hit create, and let's open our verse file. How do I open it? Yeah, I have it. Okay, I open assets. I don't know why. Okay, I will change the theme really quick to is this, yeah. Okay, so also I didn't mention, but we will do something like a range from kills. So for example, if you want the same sound playing from kill 10 to 20, you can do this with this code. And also if you want like increment by 1, it's also possible, but you just need to change the range to start and end to the same value. But yeah, all should work. And also if you want to like use the last sound, like you don't need, yeah, it should work either, but like I said, you need to 999, but it's an option last sound, so don't worry. Okay, so let's start with creating the script. So we need to first add the Killstreak data, which will be the class with concrete to allow us to create an editable, because without concrete we can't use editable. Okay, so use editable, and on which elim streak start, and that will be the int, and this is the start of our range. We can't use editable in a tuple. Unfortunately, I will do it with tuple, but we can't, so I need to do it with two variables. So we have on elim streak start, and also we can copy this and paste and just change the start to the end. Yeah, on which elim streak end. Okay. Also, you can let's add the logic variable last sound. That is logic, and default value is false. Okay, and the last one is audio player, which will be the audio player device is equals to audio player device. Okay, once we have it, we can oh, I've spelled wrong, sorry. We can leave our Killstreak data, like we don't need it anymore. Okay, like we will need it later, but we don't need to add anything to it. It's finished. Okay, so next thing, we need the tracker device. So tracker dev, and tracker device is equals to tracker device. Okay, Also we will need the elim manager, which is the elimination manager device. Honestly, I want to do this with Verse, but as you see, when I go to Fort Character, for example, yeah, for Character, we have only eliminated event. I didn't show the on elimination, like when player eliminates someone. I found only the eliminated event, so yeah, maybe we can mess around with damage event, but the elim manager don't take that much memory, so we can use that. Okay, next is our Killstreak data. Killstreaks maybe, because it's an array of our Killstreak data. Okay, so we have on built-in function here. Okay, so let's create the on-player eliminated function, which require an agent in parameters. Okay, so basically this is the agent that get eliminated, and we need to reset the progress from him, so tracker device and reset for our agent, because yeah, he died, so we reset him a progress of elimination. So okay, next is on elimination. So this is when someone eliminates, like for example, if I eliminated the bot, this function will happen to me. So now here we need maybe agent, because okay, this is for now, because if you go to elimination manager device, we have this enable of question mark agent, so this is then optional. So signalize when a qualifying eliminator occurs, send the eliminator agent. If the eliminator is a non-agent, then false is returned. So if I, for example, I don't know, tilt a dot, like not, I don't think it's dot hot. I don't think it's the hot will count for this. I think no, it's only, I think only works for players. So okay, we need to get agent from that first. So if agent and colon equals to maybe agent with question mark at the end. Okay, and that's how we get the agent. If this fails, so for your documentation you can say is an non-agent, then false is returned. So if we tilt non-agent, then this just return as a false. If we tilt a non-agent, so non-agent will give us false, and everything in this if statement will just not happen. But if we get the agent, so for example player, it will return a true, and if we return a true, that's when all the things in our if statement will work. So we need to get the current Killstreak. No, we actually don't need this. Okay, so yeah, we can leave this function for now, and let's create a play sound for agent, and we need the suspense here because it's async function. Okay, and we need to sleep for 0.1 to get the tracker device to, you know, increase the value. You can technically do it with events on the tracker, but we'll do it with eliminations. So current kill is tracker device get value for our agent, and if we don't place the sleep here, I think it will, the tracker device will not update the value yet, so we'll get the previous one. Okay, and now we need to loop through our Killstreak data. So here as our element will be Killstreak data, no, and colon and Killstreaks data. So we remove this S here after Killstreak. Okay, and here we need to sleep for 0.0 seconds, just in case if you have thousands of these audio players, so it will not crash your game. But don't play thousands of them. It's too much, I guess. It can yeah, hurt your performance. So don't do it, please. Add like 100 marks. You don't need more than 100 sounds, bro. It's only Killstreak. Okay, and if Killstreak data that on which elim streak start is less or equals our current kill, and Killstreak data that on which elim streak end is greater or equals the current kill. Okay, so if our current kill, if for example I get the 2 kills, like now is my second kill, so 2 and 2, and here is 1 and 5. I don't change the values, I only do it with example. So okay, so 1 is less, yeah, 2 is actually greater, or yeah, greater than 1. So this condition will return as a true, and this one 5 is greater or equals to, yeah, that's right, this also will return as a true. So this will actually happen, so this return as a true and a true. Okay, so let's bring back our variable same, and now we need to Killstreak data that audio player and play for our agent. Okay, and return it, and also we need to add else if, and else if Killstreak data that last sound is equals to true. So here we want to also copy and paste this. Okay, so for example, don't use last sound more than once, because yeah, last sound is a last sound, so use it only once because it's once. Last sound and last sound, you know, there's no two last sounds, it's only one last sound. So you use it once because this will happen every time, like it's a last sound basically. So after all this Killstreak data that player for example have 100 kills Killstreak, and the end of the last audio player that you put is 75 for example, and you still want to put him audio, so you can use the last sound logic and set it up to true, and this will always after a single kill, like even 1,000 kills, it will play to him. Okay, and in this function on elimination, we want to spawn the play sound for our agent. Okay, and now we need to set it up the on begin function, so to elim manager, eliminated event, subscribe to our on player eliminated. Okay, and we can just copy this and paste, and on elimination event, and we need to subscribe to on elimination. Okay, so we can push verse changes because that's all in verse that we need to do. So let's go to our content browser and put our Killstreak system. Okay, so we need the tracker device, so I'll place the tracker device. So let's go to Fortnite and the devices, let's put tracker device and also the elimination manager. Okay, that's two devices that we will need, and also some audio players because we need to play some audio. So audio, not radio. Yeah, audio player, and I will call it AP1 and just copy and paste it multiple times. Okay, so let's set it up the elimination manager. I will set it up valid on self elimination. You should also, because the players can, if you don't set it up, players can easily no, don't forget don't lose their kill streak because they just reset themselves like the player. And that's I think all. If you want to go deeper into the settings, you can read one, yeah. Sorry, I can spell sentence today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, so you can just basically, you know, go deep into each setting and see if you want something more. Okay, so let's go to tracker device and set to tracks. We need to set it up to eliminations. Target value, let's put it into March. Starting value is 0. Assign on games are true. Assign on products is true. And also sharing individual, yeah. And when target is reached, do nothing. Okay. And trial completion ceremony, no, we don't want that. Self elimination count, no, we don't want. And okay, we don't want to save that Killstreak. I don't think we want. Like if player leaves the game, he died, I guess. So okay, let's create the user interface and widget blueprint. So user widget and UI custom Killstreak. Okay, and let's open this. Let's drop a canvas panel, and I will put an image. You can do the custom widget for your Killstreak in, for example, Photoshop or something, some other software, and just import it here, and yeah, just change the value. I will show you later after I made some widget for me. So I will go size X for like 400, I guess. Anchor to here. I can't spell anything. Sorry for me today. I know what happened to me. And size Y I will go with 100. And alignment I will go with 0.5 and 0.5. Yeah, sounds good. And let's change position of this. So for example to Y to 300 and X to maybe 250. 225. Yeah, 225 sounds good. Okay, and I will change the tint to black one and the alpha to 0.4. This looks better. Okay, and I don't like this sharp, as you see, these sharp corners. I will change them. So tiling, draw as rounded box. Okay, and corner radius. I think we change that from, no, we don't change it from here. Yeah, so we need to change the rounding type to fixed radius, and now you can change this. So I will go with 20 in each radius. Is that good? Yeah, is that good? Okay, let's put another image, but we need to change the Z order of image 0 to 0 and image 1. So this image that I want to put to Z order 0, so it will render after this background. Okay, so image. I'll go so icon, but finding the right icon here will be so painful. So I'll go with some maybe target. Yeah, target was 28, and change the size to 100 by 100. It's too big, I guess. Yeah, maybe 75 by 75. And also change the anchor to the top left and the alignment to 0.5 and 0.5. Don't forget that, because it can scale weirdly if you don't make everything on the same, positions, like not the positions and size, but on the anchors and alignments. Okay, I think that will be great. Okay, and let's put some text. Killstreak, yeah, with the colon. Also size to content 0.5, 0.5, the same anchors. And let's change the position to like 350, and maybe change the color of this Killstreak. So with the red one, but some red like this. And also this icon, I will change the tint to also the same as the Killstreak. And can I do the outline here? Yeah, outline. Oh, this is text, so outline text I will go with 2, and the image I can't do the outline. Okay, so maybe I will go with 1. Okay, and we can add the text here, so this is our value. I will go with 100 just in show, like to show you, and maybe change the size to 38. Okay, and make the positions better, so alignment 0.5, 0.5, and anchors top left. Position Y is 300, I guess, and we need to move it higher, so 290, 295. Yeah, 295 sounds good. Okay, and also add some outline. Also one. Yeah, I guess it looks good. Okay, so we need to assign the value to this teleport because it will be just 100 if we don't. So let's click on this add view model. If you don't have bindings, let's click on window and view bindings here. Okay, and we don't have the view model, so we need to click on add view model, and we need to select the device tracker view model. Let's hit select. Okay, we can close that and add widget text block, but first you need to click on this value text block as you have. So for my example is this 100 text block, write this and add widget text block. As you see, it added our 100 text block. Like, it don't show it, but I know it is. I know this is. Okay, so yeah, even this you can see is 100. Okay, so we want to change the text to conversion function and to text. I think it will be the integer, to text integer. Okay, and the value we need to click this link button here, and value we need to set to tracker and value. Okay, and here we can all leave on default. Let's compile this, save that, and here on the HUD widget in our tracker device we can select our custom widget blueprint that we create. So in my example is UI custom Killstreak. Okay, let's hit click that arrow here and it should work. Okay, and let's connect our devices here, so the tracker and the elimination manager, and we don't set it up the audio players, I guess. So let's change the volume to 4. Okay, play on hit, we don't want that. Can hit by insignator only, play location, local player, and that's all that we need to do. And also oh, restart audio when activated, also this one. Okay, and let's put random sounds to each. Yeah, can be. Too long, I guess. Okay, this one sounds cool. On the third one, I will go with some error one. Oh, it's so loud. Okay, with this one, I will go maybe with some trigger one. And this one will be success 01. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so let's open our Killstreak system and let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio players. Okay, and first one will be on which element street start 1, and on which end will be, for example, 3. Okay, and let's connect our AP1. Okay, so we end on 3, so we need to start on 4, and it will end at 6. And let's connect our AP2. Okay, let's go to the other one, and we end up at 6, so we need to start with 7 and end with 10. Okay, let's connect our third one, and we end on 10, so we will start on 11 and end on 15. Connect our audio player, and the last one, it really doesn't matter, so we can just, you know, select last sound and connect our AP5. Okay, so we can now launch the session and test it out, so we'll see in session. Okay, I actually forgot to put the item spawner some gun and also the bots, because we can test that without this. So let's put some item spawner. Okay, and let's set to 0 and 0, and maybe add some pump. So pump, Havoc pump shotgun L5. Okay, and initial weapon ammo to max. Okay, and also we need to go to our instant settings and go to the debug of debug. Yeah, the debug, and enable the debug and test player on start, custom, and let's add 10 of them. I think it should, let's maybe add some more spawn pads so they actually spawn on the ground and not in the air. Okay, that should be enough, I guess. Let's push verse changes and I will come back to you guys when it pushed. Okay, so I'm loaded into the session. The version changes has been pushed. Okay, I did the gun and let's kill the first one. Boom. Let me see this one. I did the sound like boom. Oh, it's a new one. Okay. Okay, I'll get another boom. And another boom. Oh. You heard that? That wasn't a boom. Okay, okay. Okay, this is the error, I guess. Okay, okay. Oh no. And this is a trigger. I don't remember how I said this. Those. Okay, and I think now should. Yeah, and now we have the end one. Oh, I missed. Yeah. And this will continue even if I get the 1 million kill streak. So let's respawn and see if, yeah, I lose my kill streak, but it's sound on me because we set it up to self-elimination. But that's alright, I guess. Yeah, and the sounds also reset. So that's how you create the kill streak system. That's how you can use custom images, custom widgets to use to create a kill streak. It's pretty simple, not gonna lie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot. And if yes, you can leave a like and subscribe, and I will really appreciate that. And you can also check out my others video. They use really nice tutorials, I am not gonna lie. And also, if you want the code from this video, like the verse code, you can join my Discord, link is in the description. The code is totally free, you don't need to invite some friends or whatever. Just join and go to the tutorials channel and you will find the code from these videos and also from any other video. So yeah, that was it from today, and thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.